हेलो जी, वेलकम बैक टू फहद रिएक्शंस। मेरा नाम है फहद अहमद
और मेरा नाम है अली अहमद।
और आज की जो हम वीडियो लाए हैं वो है ऑसम मेट्रो दिल्ली। आगे आप पढ़ दो यार।
इंडियन वर्ल्ड क्लास ट्रेन।
तो ठीक है, जो पिछली वीडियो में हमने आपसे कहा था कि हम आपको दिल्ली मेट्रो के ऊपर एक स्पेशल वीडियो दिखाएंगे और ये वही स्पेशल वीडियो है। तो जल्दी से हम इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Real adventure begin here.
रियल एडवेंचर बिगिन।
और यार इस वीडियो का जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में है।
This is interesting.
डाइवर्ट लिविंग चैनल का नेम है। देख रहे हैं भाई, ये मेट्रो ट्रेन है इंडिया।
फाद इसकी टिकट कितनी होगी?
Orange line.
कोई पता नहीं।
Maybe you show
शायद
him
बता दें।
the other schedule.
There's a train that connects to Terminal 3, right? Metro.
3 to where? This is Srinagar.
Yeah, it's Terminal 3.
From here, you want to go to where?
I want to go to here. End of the blue line.
By train, right? What about
Train or Metro or... It runs at 4:55 is the first
the
train.
metro will start at 5:30.
5:30.
फाइव सुबह 5:30।
We have made it through immigration
Why you don't sit on the chair?
because you didn't leave me any room. So we made it through immigration, but the first train was
My-
supposed to leave at 4:55.
They have vloggers?
And or no, at
No.
4:15.
Now it's 4.
Yeah, but because we're at the second stop, it leaves at 5:15. So the trains that come to the airport actually don't leave till 5:15. But the immigration is
Wow.
super easy.
ये एयरपोर्ट में है ना अभी।
and we're just gonna wait around for the train, depending
Yeah,
on
तो
how
है।
much the Uber is.
इंटीरियर
Yeah, we're
को
gonna check
जबरदस्त
the
है।
Amsterdam
इंटीरियर
first.
रिलीजियस टच दिया गया है इंटीरियर में ना। आई थिंक बुदा मत लाइक
Cheaper.
दैट।
Let's see. We will tell you guys later.
It's like pretty
Airport पे भी आती है
smoggy, as you can
मेरे
see
ख्याल से।
behind us. So I bought a mask before I came, and I had one when I was in Bangkok too. You just never know. After being outside for a certain amount of time, it could really affect you. It can kind of give you a headache if you're not so used to it. You got a headache already?
Maybe because I
What
didn't
is
see
it,
it
Pedro,
as
or
well on the airplane, I think.
ताकि
Maybe that's why. That could be why.
लड़की को सर दर्द हो रही है। ये अभी तक एयरपोर्ट पे यार घूम
So
रहे हैं।
it's awfully confusing your first time in a country trying to figure out where to go.
Oh, there's no line or color or anything. It's just like, say, platform number 2, number 3. You have to go down. So I think we have no choice but going
So
down.
we have to get to the end of the blue line, and it was about 60 a piece. I'm not too sure
60
what that
rupees
is.
है।
60 rupee.
60 rupee.
84 USD
Rupee or
dollars।
rupee? Oh, rupee.
0.84।
So,
Here.
okay, sorry,
The
0.8.
sector.
21.
Oh,
yeah.
there we go, because the airport is red.
Yeah, so we have to go orange to blue, blue over.
So which way now?
बाकी ये मैप काफी कंफ्यूजिंग है।
This is
फर्स्ट टाइम
orange
तो
line.
कंफ्यूजिंग है।
Dwaga sector
Dwarka.
21.
द्वारका सेक्टर 21।
I think I get based on my
We're searching for that
assumption
platform.
because we don't know where to go, and there is only two line, and there is that one go to the Dwaga sector, which is like gonna go back to the opposite side that we want to go. So you have to basically know the map, and then for us we have to go to New Delhi
न्यू
station.
दिल्ली जाने का
New Delhi Railway Station.
यार बिल्कुल बाहर की
आगे
रोड की तरह है। अंदर से भी काफी साफ सुथरी है। इंटीरियर भी काफी अच्छा है।
Alright, so subway here is pretty easy for me after I get to
ये
see
डायरेक्ट
the
आके
map
बैठ
and
गया, हमें
everything
दिखाते
because
तो सही कैसे वो
it's similar
दिखा
to
रहे हैं।
the system in Bangkok.
द्वारला
In the aspect of like
शिवाजी स्टेडियम।
there will be 2 separate way and there will be 2 separate direction. So there will be the name. So
इधर
whatever
नहीं
the-
दिल्ली को जा रही है, उधर द्वारका
न्यू
है।
दिल्ली।
Yeah.
It's exactly kind of like in Mexico too.
This they have the airport train though, so you have to ride the airport metro to the actual metro.
दिल्ली है उसे।
Get on the normal metro to the actual end destination that you want to go.
Yeah. So for
I actually signed up for that.
We want to go to New Delhi Metro station.
And then we can change the line from New Delhi to the blue line.
Yeah, so you go from sector 21 to New Delhi.
So actually there are two ways that you can do. First of all, take a picture of the whole metro map, which you can take a picture at the metro station, or you can download the app.
Yeah, the Delhi Metro app.
We don't have it, but local.
Yeah, they recommended it to us. We just didn't download it before we got here, unfortunately. I didn't see that when I was looking at everything up. I just took a picture of the Google Maps and the train system, and it somewhat works, but it's different. And the map looks a lot different.
I would say this airport train here in New Delhi.
I haven't even.
शिवाजी स्टेडियम पहुंच गए.
You know what time is it right now?
Yeah, it's 5:20.
सुबह के 5:20.
Look at how many people with 5:20.
I know. Well, it's also, this is the only line from the airport that just opened up. So it's everybody from the night flights and everybody in the airport's first train to get to the subway.
Transfer.
It's 30 rupees.
40.
40 for you? So
You
I
pay
guess
40?
it depends on where you go.
But we go to the end of
30
the line.
rupees.
0.42 USD डॉलर. जैसे वो लोग हॉल में मेट्रो का टोकन लेते हैं, है टोकन सिस्टम ही है ना, कॉइन जो होते मिलते हैं.
Thank you.
What is this?
पाकिस्तान में और इंडिया में टिकटें देने का एक ही
I
तरीका.
just follow that footprints.
So blue footprints, blue line, yellow footprints, yellow line. We follow the footprints.
What is sanitizer?
Bye.
Yeah.
First time in India, first impression in India. First of all, it's really cold.
It's not that cold.
It's 11 degrees Celsius.
11 degrees Celsius.
Winter in Thailand is about, I think Bangkok go as low as 16 degrees Celsius, but here it's
Bangkok is
11
60 degrees Celsius.
So explain about the
16
arrow
ही.
on the
16
train.
के 60.
Oh, it's my bad.
16 का
My fault.
16 है.
In case you are in rush, you just hop in the train and
Yeah.
you don't know which direction, you know. So the good way is to notice the arrow.
Yeah. It'll tell you exactly which direction you want to go into.
Yeah, it's not the way that the direction of the train, but it's the way that the door is open. I was so confident that for sure that is the direction. It doesn't tell the direction, guys. It's just like the way that you can get off.
ये इजी होना चाहिए कि इस तरीके से दिखना चाहिए यार.
One more stop. We gotta transfer. Blue line splits down the middle, so you actually have to transfer to the second version
Towards
of the
the
blue line.
Shadi.
Take it to the end. Take it to the end, and then take a trike to our apartment. And it's only like a quarter of a mile down the road from the end of the metro, so we're almost there. It's super early in the morning. Still, it's
You know what I'm
it's like
excited?
6 o'clock, right? I think it's like 6 o'clock here. The airport is right here,
Yeah.
and our apartment is on the opposite side of the city
इधर
at the
रहना
end of
है,
the blue
बिल्कुल दूसरे
line.
कोने
Yeah.
में.
So everything that we want to do in New Delhi is actually
In the middle.
on the middle to east side of the city, where Old Delhi is as well.
Yeah.
पुरानी
Speaking of
दिल्ली.
Old Delhi, do you know that
Puran Delhi.
actually it's Delhi? Delhi and New Delhi is not the same.
Delhi.
No, it's not the same. So basically, there are like I think 9 sub-districts in Delhi, and New Delhi is one of them.
वो ये है कि न्यू दिल्ली जो है वो बाद में बना है.
Because if we talk
It
about
was
Old
Delhi
Delhi, that's
tha.
why I just want to mention about Delhi and New Delhi.
So we arrived at,
जैसे कराची है हमारे इधर, कराची और न्यू कराची है ना, मरी और न्यू मरी है.
and we've
ऐसे
been
ही
traveling
ये
for
बना
about
है.
2 hours, but we had to wait a little bit. We had to wait until 5 in order to get on the actual airport metro. It doesn't open till 5 o'clock. So we've been traveling, full-time traveling on trains and subways and airport metros for right over an hour now, and we're just about to get on the right line, and now we have to take it to the end.
The last line.
Yeah, the last line. So New Delhi is huge.
Yep.
Huge, वाकई दिल्ली बहुत
That's
बड़ा है.
trippy.
So eerie here.
Because of the fog and everything.
Yeah, it's so creepy at like 3 in the morning, 6 in the morning here with like, I don't know if it's pollution or fog, but it's like super smoky.
वो फॉग होती है इस वजह से इतना.
Okay.
यार वहाँ सुबह 6 बजे इतने लोग हो रहे हैं यार. 15 minutes रहता है.
We have made it to the end of the line, and
मुबारक हो।
let me tell you, it is eerie out here. Alright, let's get this last trike, make it to the apartment, and get some food.
Try to look closely. Real adventure begin here. Huh?
In the
Auto
back,
rickshaw.
In the back.
She told that real adventure begin.
हाँ तो वैसे ही है ना।
You give him the address.
वो इंडिया में घूमने ही तो आए हैं, जैसे हम लोग गुजारते हैं वैसे ही एडवेंचर हमें लेना है।
This is interesting.
नेक्स्ट एपिसोड
गोलगप्पा।
Butter balls?
वाटर बॉल,
वाटर बॉल। गोलगप्पा।
इंडिया वाले पानी पूरी कहते हैं।
I don't know what this is called, but it looks really.
खत्म है। तो क्या कहेंगे भैया आप इसके बारे में?
फाद मैं तो बिल्कुल सेल्स को गई इस वीडियो ने ना काफ़ी, मुझे तो लगता है मुझे भी बोर कर दिया।
बोर कर दिए?
हाँ काफ़ी बोर कर दिया,
काफ़ी बोर हो गई। नहीं, बोर इस सेंस में हुए कि उनको समझ नहीं थी लग रही कि जाना कहाँ है, या तो वो नाम से ऐसे लग रहा था कि पता नहीं क्या है अंदर, और वीडियो देखे में ऐसे लग रहा है कि पता नहीं क्या है, कुछ समझ नहीं लगी। उन्होंने एयरपोर्ट से सफ़र शुरू किया,
बस ज़्यादा उन्होंने अपनी कन्वर्सेशन में ज़्यादा बताया कि इधर ये लाइक दैट, बस
उनको मैप की समझ नहीं थी लग रही, वो खुद कंफ्यूज हो गए पड़े हुए थे। 1.5 घंटा उनको लग गया है वो अपनी मंजिल तक पहुँचते क्योंकि दिल्ली बहुत बड़ा है। तो उसके बाद उनका असल जो था एडवेंचर वो शुरू हुआ है। तो this was the video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then hit the like button and also comment on my video. So guys, मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए
अल्लाह हाफिज़।
अल्लाह हाफिज़।